Hi! Today I'm finishing the shelter and I start by making a few carved braces. I drew two faces of these offcuts for the glue up. I'm using Titebond 3 because it's waterproof. It is also safe for food contact, just like any other Titebond. I can spread it with my fingers then. Did you know you also can use the super jaws as a mega clamp? I put on my safety shoes because the turboplane is a quite powerful and scary tool. First brace. I need two more.
He needs me. He doesn't know it, but he needs me. He knows that I'm there.
No music, no inspiration.
Well, I got a woman way over town that's good to me.
I made three and they're all different. This one is not totally finished. I had to add shims for the screws of the roof. I need to work on the brackets because I don't like the way they look. I got this crappy plane, perfect for that job. I did the same on 8 brackets. It's a bit long, but they look a lot better. And to finish, I'm making dyed concrete bricks. I want to get rid of these pigments that I have for ages. Hey! You see, yellow and gray makes green.
Pas mal.
To avoid a big difference between the air-dried face and the rest of the brick, I rubbed it with a brush. It's not shiny as it was. Now I just have to let them dry slowly to avoid cracks. Then I'll bury them all around the shelter because I want to put stones on the floor. It will keep the stones separate from the dirt. This geotextile fabric will keep the stones on top of the dirt. I'm using the webbing of the old terrace. I'll probably have to obscure this shelter a little more. We'll see. In the meanwhile, you still don't know the use of this shelter. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, share it, press the thumb up, leave a message, and subscribe. À bientôt!